Okay, so I'm gonna start off by using this primer from Good Molecules. It's a silicone-free moisturizing primer. So I usually put just 2 drops on my face like this, and I just rub it in my skin so my makeup can last longer. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with my foundation. For my everyday use, I use the what is this one called? The Super Stay Matte Foundation from Maybelline. It looks like this. I think it retails for like $9, but it's super good coverage. It lasts all day. It's like really hard to explain myself while I'm doing my makeup, so I'm sorry guys. This is my first video, so if I sound, a little like I don't know what I'm saying, it's because I'm trying and I honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing. But you see how nice it goes on there? Super cute. So you guys can see the difference from this side to this side. It definitely is full coverage. It looks very, very smooth. You guys should definitely go get this foundation. So I'm just going to continue on to this side. And I love this brush. It's the Luxie brush 532 round top blender, because I've tried other foundation brushes and I feel like they all leave streaks, or like they soak in and they absorb the foundation. And this one, I swear to you, like there's no streaks on my face, literally none at all. It just blends so well. I definitely recommend getting this. So I am just showing you guys how I do my makeup. This is my routine. It does not mean that it's the only way, it's the only correct way. There's a lot of ways that you can do your makeup. This is just how I feel comfortable doing my makeup, and this is how I do it every single day. It works for me. You guys can try it out, and I hope it works for you guys. If it doesn't, then that's okay, but I'm just letting you guys know that I'm not saying this is the way you need to do it. This is just how I do it and how I like how it turns out. So I am going to be using the Anastasia contour kit, and I'm going to be using this shade to contour. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Banana Profltr powder from Fenty Beauty. I'm just going to grab a sponge. I already have product on it, and I'm just going to cut it literally. I'm going to let that bake meanwhile I do my concealer. So for my concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is my favorite concealer ever. I swear to you, it's better than the Shape Tape. I really, really love the Shape Tape. But this concealer, it's really affordable. It's only $5 or $6. I'm not sure. I think they went up price, but I think it's $6. It's full coverage. It does dry fast, but there's a hydrating one, so you have another option, They're both really bomb. I really recommend for you guys to get this. A lot of the stuff that I use for my everyday face routine is actually really inexpensive, and it's a lot of like drugstore products. So right here, you're kind of gonna do a triangle shape. You don't want to go too far out because you're gonna blend it anyway. So I really would recommend for you to kind of work fast with this, just because the concealer does dry down fast. So you have to just blend it kind of fast. I used to use sponges to blend, well, honestly, like for everything. I would use sponges to apply my foundation, for my concealer, but lately I've been really loving how brushes do it. I think that it's a lot easier to blend it in the skin, and you're not really wasting a lot of product, because I do feel, I didn't have the beauty blenders, maybe that's why. I would just buy like sponges, the Real Technique ones or stuff like that, but I do feel like those sponges, they absorb a lot of the foundation or the concealer. So instead of you patting it into your skin, you're just, I don't even know where it's going, it's just going into a sponge. So I'm just blending this right now with the brush. And you see how I drag it out here? So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. This is an everyday face routine. I do want to do a in-depth like night out face routine, which would basically be like this if you don't want to have your eyeshadow done, or you're just trying to go to like the club and have like a beat face or something, you know. So I will do one of those, and it will include like cream contour, nose contour, beaming highlight, all that stuff. But this is just more like, I just wanted to start off with something basic and easy. Especially to like the girls that are barely starting makeup, I hope this video helps you with some tips, and I really hope that you guys use my techniques, and you guys can show me and tag me on Instagram. I'll be leaving my handles down below for Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, so you guys can see what I'm up to. I'm always on Snapchat, and you guys can get a feel of my personal life a little more, so you guys can go ahead and add. Okay, so to bake under my eye, I'm going to be using this Marilyn Monroe strawberry loose powder from Hard Candy Life. I actually entered a giveaway and I won for Valentine's. So I got their whole Marilyn Monroe collection, and it's so cute. It smells literally like strawberries. Thank you so much for sending that over to me. So I'm going to be placing the powder, and I'm going to be kind of dabbing it into the concealer so it can set and not move. Like this. A lot of girls always DM me, or like on Snapchat they'll message me and ask me, how do I get my under eye not to crease? I really think it's important that when you're doing your face, you make sure that when you put concealer on, right away you set it, but you need to make sure that you're dabbing the powder into your skin, so that way it doesn't crease. It'll just go in there and set it in place. Because I used to always do that. I remember when I was beginning, I was like, why do I always get creases? And it's because I would never set my face, or just because like I wouldn't do it long enough, like how I do now. Like I was saying, that's why I do my whole like face routine in sections, just because it's easier for me, and I don't know, that's just how it works for me. But now that I'm gonna wait for my under eye to bake and set, I usually don't want to do it more than 5 minutes. So I blend this really quick in, and when you're blending your powder that's down here, blend it up so that way it can look like not too harsh. You don't want to have like a straight line that goes down this way. You want to blend up and blend into the contour that you just did. So you're going to be just blending up. You see how you have this line right here? So you're trying to avoid that. You do not want to have that. I did forget to mention that I did my eyebrows off of camera, which I'm pretty sure you guys noticed the moment that this video started or whatever. And I also put my eyelashes on before. I cannot talk today. I am so sorry. I will get better at this, I promise, but just bear with me for now. So my eyelashes are from the Mink collection. They have super cute eyelashes, and oh my god, their packaging, I swear to you, it's the cutest packaging I have ever seen or received from PR. And let me show you guys this. So these lashes came in this. Look how cute this is. It's like a cute little suitcase for your lashes, like a travel case. I don't know. I fell in love with this. It's so freaking adorable. So now that I've let this bake for a while, I'm just gonna be still dabbing it in as I am. So I'm dabbing and like moving forward, I guess, in circular motions and taking out like the extra powder that is on there. This is my favorite bronzer ever. Like, it's just the perfect tone. I really love it. And look how big it is. Honestly, this is the hugest bronzer I've ever seen in my life. But I got it on sale, I think for like $6 because Morphe was just having a sale. This is the shade in the shade Icon. So I'm going to be using it to bronze my face. Big Cheese from Buxom. I got it at TJ Maxx actually for $4. I really needed one and I fell in love with it, so hopefully it still sells because this is a bomb ass freaking mascara. So now moving forward to the lips, I'm going to be using this matte lip liner. It's a suede one from NYX and it's in the shade Cold Brew. So then I'm going to be going in with these Beauty Creations matte lipstick. This is in the shade Naughty. I'll be using this e.l.f. lip pumping gloss. It's in the shade Mocha Twist. Okay, so the very last step I do is I use a setting spray. This one right now is currently my favorite one. It's a Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist from Morphe. Literally smells like strawberry lip balm. Yum. This literally smells just like the strawberry powder from Hard Candy Life. But so this is my everyday makeup look. I'll be listing down below all the products that I use, my shade foundations. If I have any discount codes, I will have my Instagram handle, my Twitter handle, my Snapchat down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you guys want to see more or what you guys would like to see. I do have vlogs that I do want to be posting, so if you guys are interested in seeing vlogs or knowing more about my life, just let me know. Make sure you subscribe, like, and I can't wait to see you guys next time.